Hey everyone, want to see a list of all the programs installed on your Windows computer using PowerShell? PowerShell provides several ways to view installed applications, making it useful for troubleshooting, inventory management, and system administration. In this full guide, I'll show you the best methods to list installed programs with PowerShell 7. So let's get started. First, open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu. For some methods, it's recommended to run PowerShell as an administrator so you can access all installed software information. One of the fastest and most reliable methods is reading the Windows registry, where most installed desktop applications are registered. Get item property HKLM /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /uninstall / select object display name, display version publisher This displays the application name, version number, and software publisher. If you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, some 32-bit applications are stored in a different registry location. Run this command to view them. Get item property HKLM /software /WOW 6432 node /Microsoft /Windows /current version /uninstall / select object display name, display version, publisher This helps you build a more complete list of installed programs. To make the list easier to read, sort the programs alphabetically. Get item property HKLM /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /uninstall / select object display name. Display version, sort object display name. Sorting makes it much easier to find a specific application. If you want to save the list for documentation or auditing, export it to a CSV file. Get item property HKLM /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /uninstall / select object display name, display version. Publisher export CSV, home /desktop /installed programs, CSV, no type information You can open the CSV file later in Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet application. Finally, compare the exported list with the installed apps page in Windows settings to confirm that your information is accurate. And that's how to list installed programs using PowerShell. Whether you're managing your own computer or multiple systems, PowerShell makes software inventory quick, accurate, and easy to export. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.